Do you know you can actually switch between tabs at ease when using Chrome to browse? Okay, so maybe you are browsing different websites at a time, and when you want to move between those tabs, at first you have to minimize the other tab, okay, then open another tab. So at times you have to close the other one before you can open the other one. Here comes the good news that you can just customize all these tabs in one tool. Okay, you can make it a tool that all the tabs, assuming you are browsing between websites that deals with how to make money, and you have opened like 5 websites that you like where you earn money, and you want to switch between them, you can do that at ease. Okay, so this is how you do it. You're gonna customize all these 5 websites that you have opened into one tool, and then you switch between them at ease. Okay, maybe you are wondering how to do it. Let me show you how. Okay, so assuming I want to customize the tab on Chrome browser, I'll open my Chrome browser like this, and you can read from here that these are the previous websites I've visited. Okay, this is the automatic customization that the Chrome app itself sorry, I've customized, that I can switch between the websites. Okay, but with this one, once I click on one tab here, it will take me to the website, leaving me no opportunity to go in, or giving me no opportunity to attend to different sites at a time. Okay, so for me to go to a different website, I have to minimize the screen by tapping here. Okay, so I have to minimize the screen like this before I can move to other sites. Okay, so in this video I want to teach you how you can just switch between them without you having to minimize the screen. Okay, so once you have your site open, okay, so maybe you came here and you want to open another tab, you just tap here, add, and then you search the website. Okay, so you have that website that was previously open, okay, there. So you just have to, if you want to go there, you just have to click on where the pages are saved. Okay, let me go back and do it again. You have to go to where the pages are saved, that here. So once you go there, you got to long press, you see. So all these websites, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 websites, okay, so all these 5 websites are websites that we go there to make money. So if I want to customize them, I just have to long press on one and drag it to the other one, and now they will ask you to choose a color. So let me choose a color, and let me just leave it as, rename it and say earning. Okay, let me do it earnings, and done. So once I save, you can long press again, drag the other one, long press, you drag the other one in, you can long press, you drag the other one in, you long press, you drop it in. Okay, so after everything, let me just bring people in for, I use it to withdraw. So after everything, if you come to Chrome browser, you just open it this way, and assuming you go to EFSN, you see the tabs are showing here. Let me bring this on here. The tabs are showing here. Okay, here, that you can easily switch between them. Okay, you can switch between them easily. So if I want to go to free USD, I just press here. If I want to go to ton, I just go here. So this is how it says. Okay, you can just switch between these websites without having to minimize the screen. Okay, you see, if you minimize the screen, you see it's already all have been hot, kept in one folder, and you can switch between them easily without minimizing your screen. Okay, and all these websites are websites that are making money, and I'm cashing out from it. So if you want to get access to any of these websites, you just have to drop your comment, say USDT in the comment section, and I'll send you the link. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.